Hey Travis, I'll give you the down and dirty overview only because working with web fonts can be a bit tricky. Actually, it's quite tricky in some respects. The first thing is licensing the font. Now, you already have a web font version of your font. That's fantastic. You'll have a folder for it. And it doesn't really matter what the folder name is, but you'll have a bunch of files like EOT, SVG, TTF, WF, and then usually some sort of a style sheet. Here's what I typically do here is I'm just going to rename this one that I downloaded from Font Squirrel. And all you do is you copy all this right into your styles folder. Okay, so if I was on Dreamweaver, right, there's my styles folder right there. Yeah, what you're going to do is copy all these files right into the styles.css. Okay, there we go, and update. Okay, so now I've got my junction.css and my styles.css, and then I've got all these web fonts in here. Open up open up that CSS file that came with your web fonts, right? And what you can do now is copy this, open up your styles.css, and paste it right here at the very top of the page, and that's it. But the trick is, like I said, getting your web font. If you go to Font Squirrel and you upload your font, it's going to give you a download, you extract it, web fonts folder, the name of your font, and then in here is going to be a stylesheet.css. I mean, you can just drag the whole thing, as you don't really have to rename it like I did, because we don't have stylesheet.css, so you won't be overwriting anything. But the key is put everything into the styles folder. Then you just have to open up the style sheet that came with the fonts, open up the styles.css, paste it in, and then any font family name you want to use, that's what you're going to use right there. Junction, in this case, it's going to be in the single quotes, right? So wherever you would see a font family lower down, you would grab this information right in here. Let's see if I can find something. See where it says font family? Then you would just paste that in like so, add a comma and a space, and then that's it. So the body is now going to use this new font. If it can't find that for any reason, not uploaded to the server, it's going to go for the next font and then the next font after that.